Hey, big guy, wanna fight?
Seriously? You're gonna fight me? Okay, Dad.
And today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make an origami kunai. So let's get started.
So for making this kunai, we need a rectangular shaped paper. Now we should fold it in half from right to left. Make the crease. Unfold it, flip it, and again fold it in half. Unfold it and cut the paper. Okay, now with this half, we should fold it in half. And make the crease. Now we should rotate it and join lower with the upper. Make the crease and unfold it. Drag this part to the middle and this part also to the middle. Now you should take this part to the middle again and make the crease, and also this side of the paper to the middle. Now also fold this side to the middle and make the crease, and also this side to the middle and then make the crease. Okay, like this. Okay, now drag this side to the upper side of the paper and fold it like this as shown. And now fold this side to the opposite of the paper and fold it like this. Okay. Now open this side. No. Fold it like this. Flip it and again fold it. Flip it again, fold, and now we need the scotch tape. Now tape it like this. Okay. Now this part is finished. Now we need to make the handle of the kunai. So easy thing, we should just roll it. Now we should take a scotch tape and tape it like this. Okay. Now we should press it from here and make a circle like this. Now we should again take a scotch tape. No, we tape it. Okay, now it's taped. Now its handle is finished. Now we should insert this handle here, not in the hole but inside here. Okay, right in here. Yes. Now your origami kunai is finished. Okay. Thanks.
And if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye!